la vita delle figlie. Sono accade che fuori di qualcosa Dio non.
A magnitude 4.7 earthquake struck the Phlegraean Fields, a volcanic area near Naples in southern Italy, injuring 4 people and damaging buildings and churches. Italy's National Institute of Geophysics and Volcanology, INGV, recorded 10 aftershocks following the magnitude 4.7 earthquake.
Ma i vigili sono stati chiamati, i vigili del fuoco? Sono tutti e due. Sicuro al 100%. Nessuno. No, voglio sapere se c'è qualcuno.
It said Friday's tremor was the strongest since seismic activity intensified in the Phlegraean Field.
Oddio!
A volcanic area west of Naples that has experienced increasing unrest in recent years. The quake was felt across Naples and neighboring communities. Civil Protection Minister Nello Musumeci said 4 people were injured, with damage reported to residential buildings and several churches. Italy's Civil Protection Department activated its crisis unit as emergency services assessed the impact. Rail services on the Cumana and Circumphlegrea lines, which connect Naples with communities in the Phlegraean Fields, were suspended while safety inspections were carried out.
Sono in queste condizioni. Si sono staccati pezzi di intonaco. Elementi.
Local officials urged residents to remain calm and follow official instructions. Many people fled into the streets after the quake, while power outages were reported in parts of Naples and the surrounding metropolitan area. The quake occurred at 7:46 p.m., 1746 Greenwich Mean Time, and had a depth of 3 kilometers, INGV said. Firefighters said they received reports of stuck elevators and small chunks of plaster falling, but no immediate requests for assistance. The city of Naples said a high-voltage pylon supplying the city with electricity had collapsed, but backup power had been restored to affected areas. Power cuts were affecting some areas of the city, with emergency workers on site for repairs, the authorities said.